guys, welcome back to the Best Buddies YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this amazing birthday card, and it doesn't need much. You can just make it with the things that you already have at home. Here I have a piece of paper which is 28 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and also you're going to have to mark these here, these two parts. These are 7 centimeters on both sides, and then you just want to fold them and close them up like this, and then have a 13 on 13 centimeter piece of paper. Glue it to the center like this. Now I have another 2 pieces of papers here, which are 6 centimeter on 13 centimeter, and I'm just gonna glue these two on both sides as well. So once you get it like this, you should be able to fold them into halves like this. And I'm just going to take a 3 centimeter on 16 centimeter piece of paper with a 3 centimeter line, a stiff full line, 11 centimeter line, and a 14 centimeter line. And from this side, a 5 centimeter line, it should be dotted, okay? And I have another one like that. So I'm gonna just take my scale, keep it here, and you see these stiff full lines, not the dotted line, just the full lines. You just want to do this. Don't do it on the dotted line, just do this, okay? And I have a 7 on 7 centimeter piece of paper, a square. And I also have a 6 on 6 centimeter piece of paper, which says happy. And I have another pair which is birthday. So since this is a happy birthday greeting card, I'm going to take some glue and just put it on the card's center part. Yeah, like that. Okay, so you have your happy, and you're going to do the same to your birthday. This. So as you can see, I'm done with happy and birthday, both cuties, and I'm just gonna take this part here that we already have. We have 2. So in the 5 centimeter dotted line that we have here, this is the dotted line is just a marking where you're gonna place your happy or your birthday. So it should be like kept exactly there. So I'll just smear some of the glue. I've added a bit of glue, so I'm gonna glue our happy to the dotted line here. So this dotted line is kind of like a reference for you. Let me just show you. So like a reference, just paste it exactly on top. You just keep it now and just paste it like this. And I've also done the birthday off. So here's happy and here's birthday. Now we're just gonna take the big picture. Okay, so now that we have this part here, I'm just gonna take our happy, and you see the side where we labeled 3 centimeters. I'm gonna face that towards the outside, and then keep this here. I'm gonna align the top to the white like this, and then I'm just gonna squeeze some glue on the side, and I'm just gonna start spreading it. We've added the glue, you guys just want to watch me and see how I'm gonna stick it. Now that it's like this, just watch me stick the rest of it.